custom to there's the echo again. To have a question and answers, a Q&A on YouTube with a channel like this. So I'm honoring the long tradition of this, and I'm going to have a question and answers session too. Let's call it Q&A Friday. Last time you saw me make this thing, well, that didn't work because there's no slot in here to let the saw go past it. And I'm not going to saw aluminium on my new table saw, so scrap. What I plan to do instead is make a sled with this movable part of the table saw. So I'm thinking of, well, making something that is rigid, fastened on this slot of this movable part, and then well, really you already got a sled like this, so that should work. About the question and answers, let's go ahead and see what questions we've got. None.